Hello, people of Earth. This information comes from Clifford Stone, a U.S. sergeant that was involved with UFO crash retrieval operations. In each instance, every craft we went into, because in sci-fi movies, it looks like they hadn't been doing their own house cleaning. They were clean. They were clinically clean, like you were in a surgical room. They didn't have cobwebs, but the situation is that you go in there and, you've just entered another reality. I mean, here it is. We have a craft, 35 feet in diameter on the outside. This would have been in 1986. We went in, and there were several instances like this, but it never ceases to amaze you. 35 feet in diameter on the outside, and you're all when you go in there because you're thinking, okay, something's not right here. Because it looks much bigger on the inside, but how can that be? It's only 35 feet in diameter on the outside. It couldn't be any bigger than that, and it definitely couldn't be bigger than that on the inside. But when you go in, I can explain it now, but it's hard for people to understand. It was hard for me to understand when I first heard about it. But then you'd go ahead and look up because it was only maybe 12 feet high. Yet, here it is. This was maybe, I don't know, 40, 50 feet tall on the inside.